Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to learn about ecology, the web of life. Okay, what is ecology? Ecology is the study of environment. It involves studying how living things interact with each other, and it also involves studying how living things interact with non-living things. Okay, ecologists are the scientists who study ecology. They study the diversity of organisms in an environment, and they study about how nutrients, energy, and materials cycles through the environment. And they can also study about how weather and climate influence environments. Okay, now we go to ecological organization. Study ecology in 8 levels helps scientists better understand how living things interact with other organisms and the physical environment. Scientists divide the environment into parts, and these parts are arranged into level of organization. Each level is more complex than the previous one because it incorporates more environmental factors. Okay, this study with organization help the scientists to study ecology in organized and logical way. Okay, now we see each level. First one is the individual. Okay, the study about single organism, and the scientists study how an individual organisms interact with other living things. And they also examine how the individual interacts with its surroundings. And the environment that individual organism lives in is called habitat. The second level is population. A population is a group of individuals of the same species. A species is a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. And this offspring will eventually reproduce more offspring. And scientists will study population to learn how members of the same species interact with each other. The next one is community. Community is the assemblage of two or more different populations living in the same area. The population usually interact with each other, and the scientists study communities to learn how different species interact with each other. The next level is ecosystem. Some scientists study ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living things interact with the non-living parts of their environment. In other words, it includes it includes living organisms together with the non-living parts of the environment. The non-living parts make up the physical parts of the environment, and the non-living parts are called abiotic factors, such as soil, rocks, water, air, and temperature. The next level is biome. Some scientists want to study larger ecological systems. A biome is a collection of ecosystems with the same climate and similar communities. In other words, many similar ecosystems make up biome. Okay, this is the last level, which is the biosphere. The biosphere is the highest level of organization. It includes all life, land, water, and air on Earth. Interaction within our biosphere produces a complex web of dependencies, and living organisms depend on each other and on the physical environment which they live. Although we divide the environment into different parts or levels, it's important to remember all living things directly or indirectly depend on each other and abiotic factors. Okay. Now you can do the coloring activities. You need to color according to the directions, such as color the fish orange. So you need to color the fish orange, and then the sky blue, the grass and trees light green. Okay, you need to follow the directions, and then you need to label. Okay, label here which one is the individual. Label at the right side of your worksheet. Alright, we go to the next part.